Hey guys, so I want to take you through the workflow I use when I'm creating new ad copy using ChatGPT. I'm going to record my screen, I'm going to record my video, and I'm going to show you exactly what I do. So behind me on the screen, you can see I'm inside GPT 4.0. This is the main one that I use. I haven't tried the other versions yet. And what I want to do is I want to work on some new ad copy. I'm going to try to record the narrative using this new dictation tool. This wasn't available even a week ago because I want to talk to ChatGPT kind of like it's my friend. Now, I'm not going to use the voice mode. Let's go with dictation. Hey, chat, I want to create a new Facebook ad for my physical therapy clinic. My physical therapy clinic is called Total Therapy Solutions. Our phone number is area code 513-420-9999. This is going to be a new program that we've never offered before. I know that as a 50-year-old myself, I have parents that are aging. My parents are struggling more and more every day to maintain their balance. They're starting to fall, even though they haven't had a damaging fall yet. They're losing their balance and falling around the house. Sometimes they're getting stuck on the ground and they can't get up without assistance. They usually give me a call. I rush over to the house and pick them up. The problem is I'm 50. I'm also dealing with my own orthopedic problems. I've got a shoulder problem that's persisting. It's getting worse. I probably have a rotator cuff repair, but it hasn't officially been diagnosed. But I definitely don't have time for rotator cuff repair surgery and the 12 weeks of rehab that comes after that. I can't be in a sling for 6 weeks if I get my shoulder rotator cuff repaired. So what I want to do is I want to create an offer using a Facebook ad in a long form narrative post. I want you to use Gary Halpert's long form ad copy writing style. I want you to use Alex Hormozi's $100 million offer to help create a compelling ad that somebody has to say yes to. And I want you to share the real story of an adult in their 40s an adult in their 50s or 60s who has an aging parent whose parent needs physical therapy, but maybe their parents aren't capable of driving or they're not really safe driving on their own. So what we're doing at Total Therapy Solutions is we're making co-treatments available where I can be the physical therapist who treats both you and your aging parent. I can work on your orthopedic problem, which in this case could be a rotator cuff pain, while I work with your parent on better coordination, better balance, on fall recovery. This could go through medical insurance or it could be a self-pay program. We are contracted providers with Medicaid and all local plans. If for some reason the program isn't covered by a particular health insurance or you have a high deductible, high copay plan, we have affordable self-pay options. But this gives you a chance to go to physical therapy to work on yourself while you're spending time with your mom or dad. You are making this event something that brings you both closer together while improving both of your quality of life. Let's start with that. Let me see the ad that you generate. Okay, so now what's happening is it's taking the dictation that it just recorded. It's processing it, turning it into text, and then I'm going to hit the up arrow and it's going to turn that long prompt into the first draft of a new ad. So let's see what we've got. We've got, it says absolutely Anthony, powerful, personal, urgent message. It knows all the right stuff. A new kind of physical therapy for you and your aging parent. Read this if you're over 50. I like it. It's talking to a very specific audience. Let me tell you a quick story. I'm 50 years old. My shoulder hurts bad. I probably have a rotator cuff tear, but I haven't had an MRI. Why? Because I don't have time for surgery. I definitely don't have time for 6 weeks in a sling and 12 weeks of rehab. I'm still working full time, still supporting my family. And more often than I ever imagined, I'm getting calls from my parents who have fallen. They aren't seriously injured yet, but they're losing their balance. They're falling more often. They're getting stuck on the ground and can't get up without help. So what do? They call me, of course. And like a lot of you reading this, I drop everything and drive over to help them. But here's the thing. I'm 50. I am breaking down too. I'm their safety net, but I'm also barely holding it together myself. I think this is such a powerful message. Okay, let's keep going. That's why I created a brand new program at Total Therapy Solutions. It's a physical therapy experience that helps you and your parent at the same time. One appointment, one place, 2 lives changed. Your mom or dad gets evidence-based balance training and fall prevention with a licensed physical therapist. You get expert help for your shoulder, back, knee, or whatever issue you've been putting off for too long. You both get stronger, more confident, and closer together. It's covered by Medicare, Medicaid, and most private insurance. And if your plan has a high deductible or copay, we can offer affordable self-pay rates. This is your moment. You've been trying to juggle it all. Now you don't have to. Now you can help them and finally take care of you too. This program is only available at Total Therapy Solutions, Middletown, Monroe. Call, reserve your co-treatment, gives them phone number. We'll answer your questions. We'll verify your insurance, and we'll make it easy. And then it gives me a recommendation. So imagine this. You and your mom walk into a clinic together. She's smiling. She's stable. You're finally getting the relief from that nagging pain. You leave feeling better, stronger, and you finally have a plan. That isn't just therapy. That's quality of life for both of you. Tap, learn more. Call us directly. Let's do it together. Anthony, owner of Total Therapy. I like it. I think it's awesome. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, that's great, exactly what I was looking for. Now can you create a 30-second video script explaining that program, and I will record it and share that recorded video with the post on Facebook. Okay, so let's see what it gives me. I'm going to process that transcript. Perfect. Here's a concise 30-second heartfelt script. Anthony, you're looking into the camera, conversational tone. Hi, I'm Anthony, a physical therapist and owner of Total Therapy Solutions. I'm 50 years old. My shoulder hurts, and like a lot of you, I've got aging parents who are starting to fall. That's why we created a new program where you and your parent can come to physical therapy together. I'll work with you and your mom or dad on a balance and fall prevention program, and I'll work with you on that shoulder, back, hip, or knee problem that you've been ignoring. We accept Medicare, Medicaid, and all major insurance plans, or you can pay cash if that's easier. Call us today at 513-420-9999. Let's take care of this. Let's take care of both generations at once. Not bad. I probably would tweak that a little bit. I'll probably say it a whole bunch more times and then add my own nuances to it. But, you know, this is the way we do it. We prime the chat. We give it the context. We give it real life stories, things that resonate with our target market. Then we put it out there and we see what happens. I will create this video. I will create this post. I'll share it. In fact, you know what I can do? Let me show you guys the last one I did. A lot of people didn't like the video. When I say people, I mean you guys. A lot of therapists didn't like the video because you said it was too long. But let me, and I agree, it was too long. But let me show you what the results of that has been. Here it is. Okay, so if we go into see insights and ads, I got 4,000 views. You know, 4,000 views, all organic. 1,500 watched 3 seconds. 152 watched the full minute. Average watch time was only 12 seconds, but that's okay because the people that watched all the way through were the target demographic. We got 7 clicks. The click takes you to a call now button. You can see here, I know she said not to spend the money, but I can't let her do this alone. This was for an offer I made where I would come to your house $499. I would help you get your mom or dad out of the car and into the house after a total knee replacement discharge. So pretty interesting. All right, guys, let me put this to real life and I'll show you guys when it's done.